I'm now at Bukit Jambul. I'd like to invite you to see this 3-story semi-detached home. Let's go. This car porch can easily fit in 8 cars. This elevated patio space can be used for relaxing and entertaining your family and friends, and also can be easily accessed from the dining space. There is another backyard which can use for gardening space, storage, or future extension. The owner of this home has installed 14 solar panels, and as you can see from here, the solar inverter, and also equipped with 10 units of aircon. As you enter, you will see the spacious living room, and next to the living room, there is also a dining room which has an access to the garden area. As you can see, there is one bedroom on the ground floor and another common bathroom on the other side. Over here, you will see another space where you can convert become a dining area. From here, you can see that the owner has extended this space to become a huge kitchen area. Adjacent to this kitchen area, you can have your washing yard over here. On the first floor, we have a master bedroom, which is quite sizable, and a small balcony over here, and there is this attached bathroom. There is one room here, and there is another 2 more rooms at the back with a common toilet. That makes a total of 4 bedrooms on the first floor. There is another master bedroom on the second floor with an attached bathroom. Over here, you will get another sizable room. This home is located just next to the Bukit Jambul hiking trail, and a few minutes walk to Inti College and a short drive to Queens Bay Mall. With a generous land size of close to 4,700 square feet and a built-up of 3,000 square feet, call me to find out more.